Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for your support. So guys, today we are going to do something a little different. We are going to make an egg curry. Egg curry. I hope you know what egg curry is. So my ingredients are boiled eggs, onions, garlic, my blended tomatoes. I just used 1.5, and we have curry powder and turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon, salt, and half a cup of fermented milk, or as you know, mala. And you can also use natural yogurt, it's also applicable. So guys, we're going to start. I'm going to put in my oil, just a little bit. And guys, egg curry is a very simple recipe. Haihitaji vitu mingi, nataka tu vitu kidogo, something things you can get in the supermarket, kwa duka. Haihitaji vitu mingi. So I'm going in with my onions. And as we wait, because I'm also going to add garlic in here, and I've only used 2 cloves of garlic. Yani ile kitunguu saumu zile vipande nimetumia viwili. So, and now I'm going to add in my spices, my curry powder and my turmeric. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes, my blended tomatoes. Alafu hapo kwa tomato nitaweka chumvi kidogo tu. So guys, nimeona my mixture is very red, so I'm going to add in a little curry powder. Like that. Then I'm going to add my mala or natural yogurt if you have. You can already see the color. Look at that color. See that color, it looks amazing and it smells okay. Nanukia jamani. Then after that nitaongeza mayai. Nitaka niongeze mayai sasa. One by one, pole pole tu kieka. Do you see? Just slowly add in your eggs. So guys, we have already added our eggs into the mixture. Looks like that. Nitaongeza maji kidogo tu, sitaweka mingi, lakini kama unataka kuongeza, ukiona mixture yako iko sawa usiongeze, lakini mimi nitaongeza maji. Nitaongeza maji. Sasa inakaa hivi. Guys, this looks amazing and it's as vile mmeona ni rahisi kutengeneza. Yani haina vitu vingi nini. It's very easy to make and very simple. So, we are just going to boil it for a very few minutes, like yani kidogo, sababu mayai yetu ilikuwa imeiva tayari. Sasa tunataka tu kuichemsha tu kidogo ishikane na hizo spices zote.
A few minutes later.
So guys, our egg curry is ready. I've just nimeichemsha tu kidogo, yani hichi ndio ichangane na changanyike na hizo spices zote ziko ndani. Sasa mayai yetu iko tayari and I'm going to serve it with rice. My rice is already ready, just simple white rice. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video and our food is ready. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And I also have another video. If you have not checked that out, please go and check it out. So guys, thank you very much and God bless you.